Flash flood warning for Northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Southern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Northern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported significant flash flooding over southern Logan County with waters beginning to
I might get a WEA.
structures. Radar indicates that nearly 4 inches of rain have fallen from near Cashion to near Guthrie. Flash flooding is ongoing. The threat will increase across northern Oklahoma County within the next 1 to 2 hours.
Maybe? No, I don't think I'll get a WEA.
Flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Northern Oak City, Edmond, Guthrie, Piedmont, Jones, Lakeston, Luther, Cashion, Wellston, Kearney, Cedar Valley, Arcadia, Cimarron City, Warwick, Meridian, Fallis, Seward, Nadina, Richland, and downtown Edmond. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 138 and 163. Arcadia, Cimarron City, Warwick, Meridian, Fallis, Seward, Nadina, Richland, and downtown Edmond. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 138 and 163. Interstate 44 between mile markers 136 and 159. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.